Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about what to do when your iPhone alarm won't go off. When you need to wake up for work or school or set up a notification, you probably rely on the clock app on your iPhone to set your alarms. It's convenient until the iPhone alarm not going off problems occur and mess up your life. It only displays the normal alarm alert on the screen with a snooze button but fails to make any sound or vibrations. If you're troubled by the same, this guide will tell you why and share some troubleshooting steps of how to fix an iPhone alarm that's not going off. Now, let's move on. Why does your iPhone alarm sometimes not go off? The volume and sound settings play an essential role in the alarm set. When the iPhone's alarm didn't go off, it's possible that you've turned on attention-aware features, lowered the volume for alarm sound, enabled the silent mode and set the do not disturb mode. Besides, iPhone alarm fails to go off when there is a conflict in the settings app or a temporary system glitch. If your iPhone alarm isn't going off after update, then the update failure could be the cause. Aside from the software, connected devices, broken iPhone speaker, water damage and so on are also possible reasons. Now, follow me to try the troubleshooting ways to solve the software-related problems. Don't worry if you're a novice of digital devices or a new iPhone user. We'll introduce all the methods step by step to make it easy to fix iPhones stuck on lock screen. You can use them to save all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 17. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Make sure the sound of alarm is turned off. Go to the clock app. Make sure you're in the Alarms tab. Tap any alarm you set up. First of all, check you've correctly set up the time like AM and PM and the repeated days. Then, tap Sound. Here, you can see if you set up haptics or ringtones for the alarm. If it's set to none for the sound, iPhone alarm will not go off no matter how you configure the volume settings. Disable attention-aware features. Go to the Settings app. Tap Face ID and passcode. Scroll down and locate the attention-aware features. From there, Apple has clarified that with attention-aware features on, it'll lower the volume of notifications when it detects your attention on your phone. If this feature is enabled on your iPhone, it could be the reason why iPhone alarm didn't go off. Just toggle it off. Then, set an alarm again to test and the alarm should not ring silently. Make sure you don't silence your iPhone. Locate the mute button on the upper left side of your iPhone. If the switch is in the down position and a red line is visible, it means you mute the device and the silent mode is on. It leads to that alarm randomly didn't go off on iPhone. To fix it up, just flip the mute switch toward the front to turn silent mode off. Take a look at volume settings. Go to the Settings app. Tap Sounds and Haptics. Take a look if the volume of the ringtone and alerts is set at the lowest position. If it is, it's no wonder that your iPhone alarm goes off but no sound or is not making noise. To fix it, just drag the volume slider to the right to increase the sound volume of alerts. Toggle off Do Not Disturb mode. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Check the status next to the crescent moon icon. If it says Do Not Disturb is on, it'll silence the clock alarm, making you think that the alarm doesn't go off on iPhone. To fix it, just long press the crescent moon icon and toggle off the Do Not Disturb option. Disconnect any external device. Is your iPhone connected to any external device by cable or via Bluetooth connection? For example, the AirPods, headphones, external speaker, and so on. If so, your iPhone alarm might go off but the sound plays through in the connected device so that you don't hear any sound. Disconnect your iPhone from all the connected devices. Then, test to see if the alarm goes off properly on your iPhone. Reboot your iPhone. Here's what you need to do. If you're using an iPhone 10, 11, or later iPhone models, do this to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the volume up or down button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the right and wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If you're using an iPhone 8 or older iPhone models, do this to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the right and wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. The iPhone alarm should work properly and go off as usual after the restart if the system glitch is the cause. Upgrade the iOS. If you're still troubled by alarm not going off iPhone, it's time to install an iOS update. Open the Settings app, tap on General, choose Software Update. Your iPhone will start checking if there's an update available. If there is, it'll prompt you to download and install an update to upgrade the iOS system. Just press the Download and Install option. Finish the on-screen instructions to trigger the update process to start. Reset all settings. Here's how to fix iPhone alarm not going off by resolving the conflicts between settings. Open the Settings app, find and tap General. Scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap the Reset option. Now, select the option named Reset All Settings. When asked, enter your passcode. Tap Reset All Settings again to confirm. The process may take a few seconds. If your iPhone alarm is still not going off, then you'll have to bring everything back to its factory defaults. You can also visit an Apple repair store to check the components if you don't want to factory reset the device and lose any data. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix an iPhone alarm that's not going off. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back to working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel Cora Radar for more tech-related content. Until next time.